Let's make the white cross. So make sure the top face has the white in the center. Then we match the white with orange side to the orange center. Create a white line across the cube. But make sure the red surface matches the red center. Now find the way to match the blue center with the blue and white surfaces. Creating 3 sides of the cross. Now let's find the green side with white top. And locate this in its position now. We have a white cross on top, with all colored sides matching the center colors. No need to worry about the corner pieces just yet. Just keep practicing this until you can do it.